Okay, we're back. I had to clear some stuff out of my way. Okay. Take this apart. Put 2 gears at once again. Okay. Oh, I turned the air off already. Turn the air back on, Dunny. That makes a difference to get more air pressure to it. Oh, that sounds a big difference. Cut through the sealer, so get a direct shot of getting that off. Now we gotta get that shaft out without destroying it. It's gonna be fun. So we only got that much area to work with. We can only damage this much area without destroying the shaft. So, right there to right there. That's where I can put my tool on there and butcher it a little bit. I'm going to put pliers on there to break it free, I'm sure. Okay. I can pull that screw out too. Yep. Okay. I'll take my Nip-Pix pliers here. I'm going to grab it right there. I think I did too much damage to that. We'll find out. Well, came right out. Yep, didn't damage at all. Okay, good deal. So you can see how the sealer's on there. How it sealed it. Still got a good bite on that. So you can see on the case here how the sealer was biting on it pretty heavy here. So I'm just going to take my scraper and scrape that off. And we'll start over with a new load of sealer. We've got to reseal this thing back up when we're done. There you go. Nice and clean surface again to work with. Okay, so this fork is going to be in wrong. First thing I do is First thing I do is knock off the lock tab there. You can see it. Pull that off. And my hammer run off to over here. Okay. Jack it up a little higher. Right tool, where's the right one? There it is. Hey, it appears to be tight. Somebody must have tightened it up. Okay, so this is flipped, would be my guess. So we take off our washers here. See, it has an offset to it. Flip it. Make sure the washer goes back on that side where it belongs. Yep. Put it back on there again. Put everything back like it was. Oop. Lost the clip. There it is, right there. That. That's pretty tight. Now let's see if there's a change. Yeah, I think it got worse, not better. I'm pretty sure it did get worse. There, we still got some goo in that hole. There it goes. Yeah, that definitely is not. That didn't help it. That made it way worse. See, it's not even close now. Big time difference. So that means it must be the other fork that's wrong. Okay. Do it again. There's an error somewhere. We just got to figure out where it is. It was not this side. It looks like it's on center there also. So that's not the issue. Okay, we're going this direction this time. Well, one advantage is I'm not changing the shift fork location, so shouldn't affect any of that. I will be double checking it though. That's pretty tight. Okay. Still off. Let's go to this side. There's an error somewhere. I just got to figure out where it is. This side, you can't really change this side though. I'm not sure you would even change this side. I don't know if it's possible to change this side. I know the other one could be flipped, but this one is totally different how they're made. I don't know how you would do it backwards. Do that, but then it doesn't fit in the tranny correctly. Yeah, it's no way. That would not be correct in the tranny. Okay, where's that washer supposed to be? On this side or the other side? Now it's on the floor. I have to double check this one. Moving stuff around too much. It says a lot of play and everything here, see? That's kind of what I'm looking at. This shift fork's not really... Never had one so loose like that. That's pretty bad. When I tighten it, we go forward on it. Shifts it around a lot. Definitely got a bunch of clearance in there. So is this one. So it must be the bushings loose, not the fork. How could you put this together wrong? These look like they're made on center. There's only one groove. Yeah, I don't see how this could be made wrong. Ah, crap. What is the error? Something is not right. I'll swap the fork out. Something's wrong. Maybe the fork's made wrong. I don't know. Nope, still got the air in there. Still the two different angles in there. That looks a little closer though, but still. Definitely looks a little better. So you can definitely see it's at a different angle.